Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, park the car on level ground, turn everything off and pop the hood. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection, then locate the battery and identify positive, plus, and negative terminals. Check manufacture date and look for corrosion or cracked casing. Make sure clamps are snug, but don't loosen anything yet. You're preparing the system so later tests read accurately. This avoids false low readings caused by poor connections or surface corrosion. Now you measure actual performance. First, set a multimeter to 20V DC and record open circuit voltage at the terminals, ~12. 6V means full charge, ~12. 0V is low. Next, perform a cranking test. Have an assistant crank while you observe voltage. If it drops below about 9. 6V, the battery is weak. Alternatively, use a 100-200 amp load tester per manufacturer instructions to check cold. Finish by securing and cleaning terminals. Disconnect negative then positive, clean corrosion with a baking soda paste, rinse and dry, then reconnect positive first. After maintenance, retest voltage and cranking behavior to confirm improvement. If voltage still falls under load, the case bulges, or it fails CCA specs, replace the battery. If charging voltage is outside 7 to 14. 7V, inspect belt tension and wiring. If the problem persists, get the alternator and regulator checked professionally. Quick tip: if readings fluctuate wildly, recheck terminal contact first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.